If you've decided to delete your ProtonMail account permanently, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your ProtonMail account by entering your username and password on the ProtonMail website or app. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option. This is usually found in the top right corner of the interface, represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Select Account Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Account tab. This section contains various options related to your account management. Step 4. Choose to delete account. Scroll down to find the option for deleting your account. Click on Delete Account to proceed. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm that you want to delete your account. This may include entering your password again and acknowledging that this action is reversible. After completing these steps, your ProtonMail account will be permanently deleted. Remember that this action cannot be undone and all your emails and data will be lost.